Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new algebraic mathematical problem. We have to solve it, mean we have to find the value of x. Dear students, it's very simple equation. We will cross multiply, mean x squared is multiplied by x squared and 3 multiplied by 3. So x squared multiplied by x squared is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. As we know that if a power m and a power n, it will become, bases are same, powers will be added, m plus n. So x and x bases are same, so it will be x power 2 plus 2, which will become 4. X power 4 will be equal to 9. Now we make it squared, so we can write it x power 2 and whole squared is equal to 9. Shift 9 to other side, so it will become x squared whole squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we make 9 as squared, so x squared whole squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. Here we will apply a formula: a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we will apply this formula. It will become x squared minus 3 x squared plus 3 is equal to 0. We can write it x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. X squared plus 3 is equal to 0. The x squared will be equal to plus 3, and it will become x squared is equal to minus 3, taking square root on both sides. So x squared square root 3 square root, it will become x is equal to plus minus square root 3, and here x squared square root is equal to minus 3 square root. So x will be equal to, here negative sign is inside the square root, it is imaginary. Remember that we can write it plus minus a square root 3 multiplied by minus 1. So x will be equal to plus minus the square root 3 and minus 1 a square root. So x will be equal to plus minus 3 square root, and minus 1 square root is called iota. It is imaginary part, so we can write it as iota. Iota is equal to minus 1 square root. So this is our solution set. Solution set will be equal to plus minus square root 3 and plus minus square root 3 iota. Thank you for watching my channel. I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.